Hello and welcome to this video on the theory of relativity. The theory of relativity is one of the most important scientific concepts of the 20th century, proposed by Albert Einstein in 1905 and later refined in 1915. It fundamentally changed our understanding of space, time, and gravity, and has had a profound impact on modern physics. So what is the theory of relativity? Simply put, it describes how the laws of physics apply to objects that are moving relative to each other, and how the effects of gravity are not just a force between two objects, but a curvature of space and time. It consists of two main parts, the special theory of relativity and the general theory of relativity. The special theory of relativity deals with the relationship between space and time. It proposes that the laws of physics are the same for all observers in uniform motion relative to one another. This means that the speed of light is constant and does not depend on the motion of the observer or the source of light. This leads to some surprising conclusions, such as time dilation and length contraction, which have been confirmed by numerous experiments. The general theory of relativity, on the other hand, deals with the effects of gravity on space and time. It proposes that gravity is not a force between two objects, but a result of the curvature of space and time caused by the presence of mass and energy. This means that massive objects like planets and stars curve the fabric of space and time around them, causing other objects to follow curved paths around them. It also predicts phenomena like gravitational lensing, where light is bent by the gravity of massive objects, and the existence of black holes. One of the most famous predictions of the theory of relativity is the equation E equals mc squared, which shows the equivalence of mass and energy. This equation explains how a tiny amount of mass can release an enormous amount of energy, as demonstrated by nuclear reactions and atomic bombs. The theory of relativity has been confirmed by numerous experiments and observations, including the famous Michelson-Morley experiment, which showed that the speed of light is constant, and the observation of gravitational waves, which are ripples in the fabric of space and time caused by the collision of massive objects. The theory of relativity has had a profound impact on modern physics and technology. It has led to the development of new technologies such as GPS, which relies on the precise timing of signals from satellites in orbit. It has also inspired new theories such as quantum mechanics, which attempts to reconcile the theory of relativity with the behavior of subatomic particles. In conclusion, the theory of relativity is one of the most important scientific concepts of the 20th century, and has had a profound impact on our understanding of the universe. It describes how the laws of physics apply to objects that are moving relative to each other, and how the effects of gravity are not just a force between two objects, but a curvature of space and time. It has been confirmed by numerous experiments and observations, and has led to the development of new technologies and inspired new theories.